Maybe something more important than what you're saying, or when you say it, is who you're saying it to. Your audience is the primary factor in your response rate. Using segments or an alias, you're able to target your users when sending notifications. Here's why segments and aliases are useful. I'm looking at all of my registered users, but I don't know much about them. iOS 15698319, Android 15223319. Right. With an alias, I can attach a unique identifier to a registration. Dan.stever@roost.me. That's a lot better. From the dashboard, you can edit users and change the alias yourself. You can also add users to a segment. When you start typing in the segments box, we'll pull an existing segment so you can choose, or you can create them on the fly. There are a few ways you can attach a segment or an alias to a person at the time of registration. This is our standard, air quote, include Roost on my page snippet. When using this, your site can take advantage of Safari Desktop Push and the Roost bar. To pass in an alias or a segment, we simply need to add a line of code containing the identifiers. For segment, it's roost.push, then tags, followed by your segments. Let's use baseball and technology. For alias, it's roost.push, alias, followed by your identifier. The catch with alias is that you need to know something about the person before registration. You could have the prompt happen after a person is logged into your site and you know their email or maybe an account or customer ID that means something to you. If you have a simple link for registration, you can add the segment or the alias by appending the URL with tag equals and your segment, or alias equals and your identifier. A final URL could look something like this: roost.me/123, which would be your Roost invitation code, followed by a question mark to begin passing arguments, alias equals and the identifier, an ampersand to add more, tag equals, and then our segments. If I clicked on this link, it would subscribe me as dan.stever@roost.me and assign the segments baseball and technology. To send to an alias or a segment is easy. Just start typing the alias or segment in the recipient field and click on the one you'd like. You can also click on users or segments above and select them from here. Have you ever sent a message to the wrong person? It makes sense why they wouldn't have responded how you intended. Target your users with Roost by using segments and aliases. These features are available with a Plus plan or greater. If you have any questions, contact us at support@roost.me. I'm Dan Stever, Developer Evangelist for Roost.